George loved the museum. Every time he went, he discovered something new. The new North Pole exhibit was frosty fun with its igloos and polar bears. And so was the South Pole exhibit with its penguins. But what was this exhibit?
Oh, these are the museum's new vending machines, George. They dispense food like milk, fruit, soup, sandwiches.
Oh.
All you do is insert a coin and... Oh, here, let me get you a coin.
Here's a coin, George. My treat.
Hi, Professor. Hey, how are your plans to explore the poles coming along?
You mean Operation Snow Go? Oh, it's a no-go. The Arctic and the Antarctic associations aren't getting along. Each thinks its pole is the best pole.
George wasn't sure if he wanted a sandwich or soup or milk or an apple. George wondered what was inside the vending machines and how they worked.
I bet if both groups sat down and talked over dinner, they'd see how much they have in common.
Exactly. My apartment is full of expedition gear, so would you be willing to host?
A dinner? Well, sure. I guess.
Wonderful. Here's a timetable, recipes, menu, and a guest list for tomorrow night.
Tomorrow? Tomorrow?
It's the only day both groups are in town.
Yes, but Professor?
You're doing a wonderful thing for science. Operation Snow Go will be a go-go.
Right. Go.
George tried to describe his amazing adventure with the farmer inside the vending machine.
Excuse me there, fellas.
George was surprised to discover there was no farmer inside.
These machines are something, huh? You just put in a coin, the wheel turns, and bingo!
No doubt about it, the museum was one surprise after another. The next day, George and the man with the yellow hat followed Professor Wiseman's directions for the party.
Okay, that takes care of the main course. I'll put the oven on high to speed things up. Next, please come up with something festive to break the ice after dinner. Oh, boy. It means Professor Wiseman wants us to entertain the guests. Is that smoke? Smoke? Oh, no! That was our dinner! Okay, we can handle this. I'll just go to Chef Biscotti's and buy another dinner. Oh, while I'm gone, can you try to make the desserts? You see, it's this snow on a mountain thing with blueberries and coconut. Oh, thanks, George. Oh, can you believe I almost went out like this?